Sorry about these choppy videos, man, with no like continuity in them. Recording from my phone at the moment. The camera is ordered and it'll be here soon, just not now. So we wanted to go ahead and start recording, get these videos up and out, you know. So again, apologies on my part and us here at Ace. But you know, we'll get a better camera soon. Right now, you know, shout out to the iPhone 8s. No, kind of not up to date. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, so right now, again, we're just gonna continue taking stuff off. Right now, I'm taking off this bolt on the starter to remove all connections to it. Yep. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, man, getting there done. All right, that was the positive connection for the starter. Just took it off, and the electrical ignition, I think that is, or whatever that electrical sensor mount is, to spark the the actual starter. Alright, got that on. What's this? This is gonna have to come off. I don't know if I should take it from here. I don't know if I should take this off. I look like I just take it from here, but let's try to just take this sensor off for now. These funny looking sensors, man. TM, what was you thinking? What's this? Oh, you know what? Yeah, this still has to come off. I was thinking it didn't, since it's connected to the fuel or to the dipstick, but it has to come off because it's still connected to the engine. Of things in here. One thing I learned the hard way. All right, so guys actually can't see what I'm doing, but I'm working down in here, trying to get stuff off this alternator here. I just got that silver shiny nut right there. come off to pull off some electrical wiring on it. I dislocated some stuff. I don't know if you guys can see it, but just dislocate the stuff off the starter. So right now it's coming along pretty good. Eventually I'll get to this mount here. See, there's a mount back here I gotta get to, and then looks like there's a mount right here. It's kind of dark, but right here that's holding it somewhere down there, I believe. I'm not sure. I think there's a mount somewhere up here. If not, it's just be this mount, and I know there's a mount here, and then I know the transmission has a mount and it's holding it together to the engine. What's up, boy?
Nigga, I know you heard me.
No, I didn't. Just over here filming. I didn't hear nothing. Homie here, finally. I didn't think he was gonna show up. Guess I lost that bet, huh? Dang, I was just finna show you on camera, but I forgot. I can't reveal it. Can't reveal it just yet. I almost showed you, man. Yep. See, man, that's all cars is all about, man. Hanging with the homies, kicking it, working on cars. Wow. Oof. Yeah, man, wanna come take a look at this? See what else we gotta do on it? It's a lot, but like, I still gotta get this sensor out too somehow. Oh wait. Oh, got it off. Look at God, boy. You gotta just take your time, get it done.
What else you got going on over here, fool?
Yeah,
I would have brought
try not blocking
I
the
would have
camera.
brought my light.
I got a light in the house. I can just hook up. It's pretty bright. It's when it's. I think today was the last day it rains, or is it tomorrow? Depending on when's the last day it's gonna rain, because it's not gonna rain for another couple of weeks or for a week. I'm gonna take the hood off, and so we can take the hood off. It's a better space to work. Especially the hood's got to come off anyway before we pull the engine. What's great about it is it's got already mounts for it. So here and here. So you can just chain it up here and then yank it off. We're gonna keep the transmission in there. Check this out, bro. There's a bunch of pieces, man, that I found in the intake. And it's no good. Yeah, it's no good. I don't know what my mom did, man.
Yeah, we had to probably break it down and see what happened if he felt like it.
If you want to, we can make a video, kind of break this down, see what actually happened to this engine.
Yeah.
We could do that. My mom kind of killed this car, man. Don't know what happened to it. Yeah, but we're gonna take it out and then buy another one, drop it in here. Then I don't know what my mom's gonna do with it, but we might have more content for you guys, and for if we just this car is just for whatever. Right now I'm just taking off a bunch of sensors. I got most of the hoses already off. I was kind of struggling earlier a couple days ago, but I actually managed to get it off. Managed to get this. You see what I'm saying? This is all one piece.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I can take the injectors off, but now I can finally flip it upward. So hopefully the gas won't leak out. So we could take the injectors off, so we can keep it on the connected to the wiring, and then just move this out of the way.
Did you take off the exhaust and everything?
No. I'm actually taking off the heat shield for it now.
Okay.
So I can have more room or whatever. So I know there's a bolt here, there's a bolt right here, and then the third bolt is right here. So it's all accessible from right here.
Okay.
Yeah. I was just about to get on that. If you got a power tool, so if you could even fit it back here, you might not have to take the heat shield off. I was gonna do it just to see, give me more room.
What size are you working at? What's the
Huh?
What's the size?
A lot of these tend to be 13s, but I'm not sure. Let's see what size it is. Oh, is it loose? Okay, no, it's just my imagination. No, so this doesn't seem to be a 13. This may be a 14 or bigger.
14?
Or bigger, maybe a 15. Man, power tools. Yay. Actually, I have some in the house. I don't know. I'm old school. Take a wrench.
No.
I'll be good.
No.
Take a wrench and be good.
That's too long.
What is?
I'm using just
Oh,
the
you're
wrench.
too far back. Are you about to take the heat shield off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here, right?
The heat shield is a 13s.
Oh, the heat shields are 13?
Yeah, take the heat shield off is 13. But I was talking about back here. Because this is where the exhaust and the...
Oh.
So back this is like a 15 or something.
Okay.
Yeah, that's probably like a 15 or something. I don't know exactly what it is. What is it?
It's a 15, yeah.
Right. See, man, I'm good at this, man. But yeah, man, I'm actually excited, man. Got it less than what I originally thought I was gonna get it for. Yeah.
God damn.
What?
Damn, I know I should have brought some PB Buster. A WD-40 for those exhaust bolts.
Oh, rusted as hell. Yeah, I know. I might have to look a wrench in the house.
Alright, bet.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Damn. Might not have anymore. The store closes at like 9.
Damn.
What time is it? It's like 7, right? Actually, no. They might be back to their regular hours, so they may close at 10. Yeah, they may close at 10.
Alright.
not have any more. Do you need it?
Hmm?
Do you need it? I might not have no more.
Oh, boy. For the exhaust bolts, yeah, probably. Unless you got a fucking blowtorch.
If they're rusted off that bad, you can't get it?
I mean, I can try again. Ugh.
Come on, man. I thought you were Hercules, man. Don't be weak.
Hold up, son. This has to go in a weird fucking space because I can't fucking do that shit. Where the fuck is my 10mm?
Yeah, at some point, I would have probably tried to move this little back up the hill some more.
Okay.
Well, that's the only place I could get it at the moment with just me, and I don't feel like trying to push it by myself.
I got you.
I was hoping Jalen would come too, but he didn't show up. So he said he was. I don't know where he at. I asked him if he was gonna push up. He was like, "Yeah."
Shit, don't mind me.
Yo, where'd you put the bolts?
The exhaust shield?
Yeah,
Right there on the exhaust shield.
I got bags. We bagging tag
I didn't
everything.
know, I didn't know
I know.
what you didn't tell me you're writing thing down. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna put it on
No.
this
All that stuff is basically intake stuff,
bitch. Okay.
air intake stuff.
Alright.
We bagging and tagging everything, man. I can't lose no bolts.
You better get
I
you a
can,
marker and
but
start
I
fucking.
be buying more than I.
You better get you a marker and start writing what the fuck goes
I
with
do.
it.
I know what it is right now. It's not too hectic where my brain can't process it. But I know what it is now. Especially like, oh, where's the other one? Oh wait, no, I might have a bag already.
Damn, it's really fucking slimy.
Right here.
Wow.
You didn't just mash the bolt?
Yeah.
So this is for the exhaust cover. There's only these 3 bolts. Man, tomorrow I'm gonna just go ham.
Why the fuck? What size is this shit?
I'm gonna just go ham, man. Because it doesn't look like much is left. I know I got a sensor up under there. A sensor up under there. It's like, it's right up under here, like legit, right there. It's like in a weird position. So I gotta take that off. I gotta take this off of here, the wiring harness off of here. It's kind of like it's kind of in the engine with like zip ties and stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just end up cutting it.
No, you don't. These are screw on. They go in the holes that.
They're not
to the thread.
screwed. They're like they got the little flanges on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can just pull them.
I can. That's a lot of work.
Hold on.
What I was gonna say is so that's basically what's going on. I pulled off the stuff for the starters, but so it's pretty much like I said. For the most part, it looks like it's gonna come off pretty soon. All right, what's going on, y'all? We're gonna stop the video here because the video in itself is way too long. So we're gonna play the rest of the video, or at least more of it, next video. If you guys like this, like, comment, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. If you don't like it, please comment. Let us know what we can do better. What would you like to see more, or like less? Please give us feedback. We're always here to improve. So thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.